President Draupadi Murmu presented the National Florence Nightingale Awards for the year 2025 to nurses at a function held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The National Florence Nightingale Award was instituted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India as a mark of recognition for the meritorious services of nurses. This year, 15 nurses from various regions and healthcare settings were honored for their exemplary service in strengthening public health delivery and their unwavering commitment to promoting the welfare of the community. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone, dedicated to the nation multiple development projects worth over 48,520 crore rupees at Karkat, Bihar. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said that the central government announced the Makhana Board, give GI tag to Makhana of Bihar, immensely benefiting Makhana farmers. Later in the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone, inaugurated various projects worth around 47,600 crore rupees in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Addressing the event, the Prime Minister said that Uttar Pradesh has created an unprecedented and secure environment for investment. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh interacted with officers and sailors on board India's first indigenous aircraft carrier Indian naval ship Vikrant off the Goa coast. Addressing the officers, the minister said that India will not hesitate to use every method to root out terrorism. Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology, Railways, and Information and Broadcasting Ashwini Vaishnav announced several key initiatives under the India AI mission aimed at advancing India's AI journey in New Delhi. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a very clear vision of democratizing technology, which means that technology should not be left in the hands of a few, but it should be accessible to a large section of society. The National Defence Academy witnessed a momentous occasion as the first ever batch of 17 female cadets was among the 336 cadets who passed out of the academy, marking the culmination of 148 course spring term 2025. A total of 1,341 cadets, including 336 from the passing out course, participated in the passing out parade at the iconic Khetarpal Parade Ground in Khadakwasla, Maharashtra.